Mobile360 by VIA is a fully integrated operator awareness and pedestrian safety system. Strategically placed image sensors give your operators a full view of the surrounding environment. Mobile360 features an advanced AI system that detects pedestrians in close proximity of active forklifts and notifies the operator with visual and audio alerts if a pedestrian steps into range. Incidents and collisions are recorded and easily accessible for future review. The driver monitoring system alerts operators when drowsiness or unauthorized activities, including smoking and cell phone use, are detected. Mobile360 adds a new level of transparency and accountability into your operation, protecting your team, facility, and inventory. Mobile360 is a reliable system with the power to reduce insurance and healthcare costs. Easily configure and install on forklifts within your existing fleet without drilling or damage to the vehicles. Mobile360 by VIA. Smart systems for the next generation of materials handling. For more information about Mobile360, visit us online at viatech.com.